Need to unblock someone on Facebook? Whether you blocked them by mistake or simply want to reconnect, Facebook makes the process quick and easy. In this video, I'll walk you through every step so you can unblock a person or page using the latest Facebook app in 2026. Open the Facebook app on your Android or iPhone and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Next, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, you'll either see 3 horizontal lines or your profile picture in the bottom or top corner of the screen. This will open the main Facebook menu. Now scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. When the menu expands, select Settings to open your account settings. Keep scrolling until you reach the Audience and Visibility section. Here, tap Blocking to view your blocked list. This page displays every person and page you've blocked from interacting with you. Find the profile or page you want to unblock. Once you've located it, tap the Unblock button beside their name. Facebook will display a message explaining what happens when you unblock someone, including that you may need to wait before blocking them again. If you're sure, tap Unblock one more time to confirm your choice. Within a few seconds, the selected person or page will be removed from your blocked list. That's all for this guide. Stay tuned for more quick tech tips, hit subscribe, and thanks for being here.